What up, what up, what up? Unbreakable Kicks. Oh, man. Army, sometimes you just gotta soak it all in and just think of where you started, what you've been through on this journey to where you at currently. Oh, Army, we hit 200,000 subscribers. I promise y'all, look, when I hit 100K in 2019, I thought that was the top. That was as high as your boy was gonna go. I had a nice wave going, and I just didn't know what to expect. For those who are new over here, I come from Facebook sneaker groups, posting shoes in Facebook sneaker groups. People knowing my collection. People telling me, man, look, bro, you should start a YouTube channel showing off some of your shoes. 2017 to 2021, and I got, to me, one of the best collections. You know, I've definitely dwindled down a lot in the collection, but to have some of the stuff behind me, to have my own merch, you know, merch is selling, to have pretty much anything that I can think of, Army. Without y'all, none of this is possible, man. Look, I know we just had the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. I know a lot of us took L's, and it's okay. You know, I'm going to keep everybody informed on, you know, raffles and when reservations are going to open, all of that good stuff. I'm going to make sure we are all good for that. But I hope you guys did check out the live we did do this morning for the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. We had a lot of fun. We celebrated the 200,000 subscriber mark, Army. So if anything for this video, man, just smash that thumbs up for your boy. Smash that thumbs up. And if you're new over here, subscribe to the channel. I got a long story as far as just doing this sneaker YouTube stuff, how I got started, Army. And for a lot of the new folks over here, I'm going to go into that when we do the full collection video. But that ain't what we here for. We going to get sentimental and all that stuff later on. Army, I got some heat right here in the vault, and you know I have to save all of this stuff for the 200,000 subscribers. Ain't no 200,000 subscribers. 200,000 members of the Army. I had to wait to post this stuff until we hit that landmark because I knew it was coming. So with that being said, Army, grab the merch, grab the crew neck, grab the black hoodie, grab the joggers, grab the other shorts, the brand hoodie, go grab all of that stuff. DM me, hit me up if you guys want to purchase any of the merch. I want to get straight to these and show you guys what I've been holding out for a little bit. And let's go ahead and start with these. First and foremost, in this box right here, it is a replacement box. If you guys follow my two main people, Sneaker Sluts and English Souls, some shoes come with a replacement box, some shoes come with the original box. I personally don't care because I'm going to throw them in the back anyway, right? Now, this right here is from Sneaker Sluts, and I've been holding on to this joint for a minute. I want to say maybe I've had this shoe for maybe like 3 or 4 weeks, but I knew I wanted to unbox all of this stuff together. And this is one of Flight's favorite PEs right here. He said this is supposed to be his first. But y'all know, your boy had to grab the Air Jordan 4 Oklahoma PEs. Now look, Army, this is my first Oklahoma PE in the collection. Now Oklahoma has the Air Jordan 1s, they have the Air Jordan 4s, and they have the Air Jordan 5s that just now dropped. Again, the 1s, here are the 4s, and they had the Air Jordan 5. Now, a lot of these schools have the Air Jordan 9 boots, but I wasn't a fan of the boots. If they just kept it just the regular Air Jordan 9s, I would have been all over those. But these joints are just fire. Again, the only Oklahoma I have, I need to get the 5s, which I probably, at this point in my size, maybe an $8,000 to $10,000 shoe. So I'm going to wait a little bit to try to grab those. Hopefully the price goes down on them. But when it comes to these PEs, man, once they're gone, and once people get them in hand, the price is skyrocketing on them. But just overall, this is just a beautiful shoe. Spare pair of laces, red suede, nice red suede on these Oklahoma joints right here, Army. Just a beautiful pair of Air Jordan 4s. Now, that was a pair from my boys Sneaker Sluts. The rest came from my bros over there at English Souls. And if y'all haven't seen, or if y'all don't read the, sneaker articles, they are the ones who did that auction where they auctioned off some of the most limited shoes in the world. And I want to say they came out with like $880,000 after that raffle. They had from the Drake Gold 3s. They had like the whole Usher Gold collection, the 3s, the 9s. Had some Travis Scott friends and family, the Wahlburgers, all those. Those are the type of shoes that some of my guys have, and I'm talking about $16,000 to $18,000 shoes. Some of the original Eminem 4s, they have for like $22,000. Crazy amounts of money, but your boy ain't there to spend 20 bands on a shoe just yet, alright? Okay, now, let's go ahead and get... I don't know which one I want to do first. Oh, I'm just going to start right here at the top, Army. So look, I got 3 shoes in this box right here. I'm just going to pull from the top. We just going to pull from the top, and we just going to keep it going this way, all right? Now, shoes that I have in hand right here. Air Jordan 3 Retro, okay? Color is pewter gray, college navy, size 11 and a half, all right? Size 11 and a half. And I don't know which one this is. Okay, it's these. All right, so Army, I told myself I wanted to complete either the 3s, Collegiate 3s, or the Collegiate 4s this year. I want to do both so that way I can start focusing on the 5s. The ones are like dumb expensive. The ones are like $8,000 plus per shoe. It's crazy. It's expensive. And this is why I've been trading so many shoes. Army, I traded combined for all 4 of these sneakers. For this stuff right here from English Souls, I want to say 56 shoes in cash. And for the joints, the Oklahoma joints, probably maybe like 20 to 25 shoes. That's a total like 80 shoes that I traded to get these right here, man. Because again, I told y'all I'm being more selective. A lot of this stuff I know I'm never going to wear, so I'm just getting it out the vault. And I still got more stuff that I need to move. But y'all like, break, shut up. Let's see what you got. And in this box right here, I have the Air Jordan 3 Georgetown. Now, one thing I've learned, now these are the real Georgetowns, all right, not the Midnight Navies. Now, one thing I've learned, collecting, oh my God, collecting the PEs and stuff is that Marquette and Georgetown are the 2 hardest shoes to find, 2 of the most expensive, because they don't make as many as they do Michigan, as they do UNC, as they do Florida. Like, of course, we know those are bigger as far as the quantity of students that actually attend the schools, if I'm correct. But just overall, Marquette and Georgetown gets the least produced amounts of these Air Jordans. And, bruh, like, these are just mind-boggling. The nice hits of gray suede that we got on these joints. We got that navy. This is the basketball pair right here. Bruh, like, just a fire Air Jordan 3. Again, here's the Air Jordan 3 Georgetown. Now, Army, let me know if y'all like these, or do y'all like the Midnight Navy Georgetowns that we just got. Let me know which one you guys actually like better. All right, Army, next one, we got an Air Jordan 3 again. And the label on these is Air Jordan 3 Retro. Colorway is college navy, university blue, amarillo, white. Size 10.5. Y'all already know every PE I have in here is my personal size, okay? Flip the lid. Oh my God, this is probably out of all of the Collegiate 3s, the most limited. Now, Army, all right? It's only 4 with the Collegiate 3s. You got the Air Jordan 3 Georgetowns. You got the Georgetown 3s. The Air Jordan 3 UNCs. Right? UNC 3s. That's number 2. We got the Air Jordan 3 Michigans. And last but not least, the most limited out of all of them. Oh man, you got the Air Jordan. And my favorite, oh man, I think these are my favorite. You got the Air Jordan 3 Marquettes. I want to say it was either between 25 to 50 pairs of these made right here. The most limited. Look at the hits of that blue you got on the back. Now the Marquettes are sometimes very similar to the Michigan joints, but these right here, this is the hardest one, the most expensive one. Again, between these and the Georgetowns, these three right here were the most expensive Air Jordan 3 collegiate joints out of all of them. Such a beautiful, beautiful pair of Air Jordans. Now, Army, when it comes to how limited and how hard it is to get these, this is why English soles and sneaker sluts are my only two people, unless they recommend somebody else that may have a shoe that I'm looking for. Other than that, those are my two guys right there. To just grab PEs. These are beautiful. I just love how you got that blue and that yellow. It just really makes these joints pop out so much more, man. Look at the heel, bruh. These right here, this right here is my favorite out of all of the Air Jordan 3 collegiate PE. So the collegiate 3s is over with. I got all of them. I got all of the collegiate Air Jordan PEs. Right here. Never, Army, never did I expect to own stuff like this, man. Combined pricing, the Marquettes is roughly between 8 to 9 grand. The Georgetowns anywhere from like 6 to 7. The UNC, surprisingly, because of the GR releases, around like 4 to 5 grand. And the Michigans are roughly anywhere between 35 to 4 grand. So y'all do the math, Army. These right here, this is what I love to collect right here. But here y'all go, the full, complete collegiate Air Jordan 3 collection. And last but not least, Army, we got one more. And it's a pair of Air Jordan 4s. Label reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color is College Navy, Uni Blue, Amarillo. Size 11, personal pair. And it may sound similar to what you guys just heard. And voila! Air Jordan 4 Marquette PEs. Again, one of the hardest out of all of them to find. Now, when it comes to the 4s, you got Marquette 4s, you got Michigan 4s, you got Georgetown 4s, Florida 4s, UNC 4s, and I want to say the last one is Oklahoma that I showed you guys. So, as of right now, I got Oklahoma, Michigan, UNC, and Marquette. I'm just missing Georgetown and Florida. So we already know that those two are on my list of PEs to grab this year. So mainly I just need 2 more and then start working on the 5s and the 1s. Again, the 1s are going to be tough. The 2 lows are tough to get now because those are older. The 13 lows are starting to become extinct as well. It's a lot of this collegiate stuff that I'm on a hunt for, I'm on a search for. Grabbing the regular GRs, Army, at one point, I loved the chase of it. I love, hey, they got the red flints. You know, I just did the video on the red flint. Man, I can't wait for those to come out, but I know that's an easy cop. These right here, it's the search. It's the challenge. It's the, I want to complete them all. That's why I love to collect the collegiate joints, because it's like a puzzle piece. I got to have all of these joints right here, Army. And again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pair of Air Jordans. I got the blue laces in here as well. Just a fire pair of Air Jordan 4s. So Army, let me know out of all of the 4 sneakers I showed you, which one is your favorite? Marquette 4s, Marquette 3s, Georgetown 3s, or Oklahoma 4s. Let me know which one is your favorite. Again, Army, without you guys, 200K would not be possible. Again, I love you guys. I appreciate everything. Smash that subscribe button. Tell your family and friends to become members of the Army. And other than that, you got your boy Unbreakable. You got the Unbreakable Vote with more PE heat. Unbreakable Army stands strong like always, and like the merch says, hug your loved ones. Hit me up if you guys need any merch. Again, I love you guys. I'll catch y'all later, God willing, and we out.